Okay, so in this video I'm going to show how to replace the LED light strip for the SE-282-2828 wall fountain. So here we have a top piece, and let's just say when you plug it in, it does not turn on. So if you plug it in, it doesn't do that, then this is what you would do. So the first step would be, you'll cut the zip ties on the top, it's these two. Make sure to cut away from yourself. And then, so now that this is loose, you just have these here, and all you need to do for this, it's pretty simple. So the strip is kind of held together with these little clips here. And all you need to do is turn the LED strip to the side. So let's see, just like that. And it comes right out. Very simple. Okay. So all the LED strip is off. And got your new one here. And so the easiest way to do this might be to just lay it down. Just for the video, I'll just stand it up like so, and just start putting it in there. Okay, and then now from this side here, this is where I'll use the two small zip ties, and just hold the cord there, and then just feed it this way, and have it come out the other hole, just like that. Okay, so as you can see, zip tie went into the top, came out from the bottom hole. And then you can just zip tie it like so. Okay, so that one's held there. And you'll do the same thing on the other one. Feed it into the top and have it come out the bottom, just like that. Okay, same thing there. And that was it. And then I'll just cut this. Scissors would probably be easier. And there it is, full LED light replacement. And that is it.